You could be paying for subscriptions and services on your Apple account that you don't use, you've forgotten about, or you didn't even know you had. Roughly 50% of adults are in this situation, and it's worth checking. A $20 per month subscription, that's $240 a year. And what if you have many more? Luckily, it's easy to check your Apple account and to unsubscribe to unwanted services. Follow me. As well as Apple services, you can use your Apple account to pay for many third-party services, usually as a monthly or annual subscription. These could be streaming apps, newspaper and magazine subscriptions, and many apps that have an ongoing cost to use. Using your Apple account can simplify and centralise your subscription payments. I like this system. It makes it easy for me to see what I'm currently subscribed to, as well as stop and restart subscriptions. But many people are being charged for services they've forgotten about or don't realise they have. It's pointless wasting money on these. Follow these steps to see what is being charged to your Apple account and how to stop any that are unwanted. You could do this by logging into your Apple ID using a web browser, but far easier than that, you can use an iPhone or an iPad to quickly access this list. Follow me. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. Then at the top of the screen, press your name. Then select Subscriptions. A list of all subscription charges to your Apple account will appear here. This includes Apple services as well as third-party services. Check this list and identify any that you don't need. Press on the service name and then select Cancel Subscription. You will no longer be charged in the future for this service. 2 tips. Tip 1. You will still have access to cancelled subscriptions until the end of the paid period. For example, if I was to cancel this Disney Plus subscription, I would still be able to use it until the 29th of January, as I have already paid up until this date. Tip 2. Any cancelled subscription can be reactivated at any time by selecting the service from the inactive list and then selecting Renew. Now you know where your subscriptions are located, you can return here at any time to cancel or renew services as required. Final tip. If you have a subscription that does not appear on this list, then you are paying directly with this service provider, not via your Apple account. To cancel these subscriptions, go to that service provider's website, log into your account and cancel from here. Let me know in the comments if you found subscriptions you'd had forgotten about or had no idea you were paying for, and how much you are now saving. Hit the like button and subscribe or follow Tech with Tony to receive new tips and to explore the back catalogue. See you there.